Today, I want to offer a brief reflection on the gospel reading for this Wednesday in the 21st week in Ordinary Time. It's taken from the Gospel of Matthew, the 23rd chapter, and these are very strong words of Jesus when he condemns the scribes and the Pharisees. He says that they're hypocrites. He calls them whitewashed tombs that appear beautiful on the outside, but inside are full of dead men's bones and every kind of filth. Even so, on the outside you appear righteous, but inside you are filled with hypocrisy and evil doing. Very strong words. And so you can see here that Jesus is condemning, yes, certainly the scribes and Pharisees, but in a sense, he is condemning anyone who is guilty of hypocrisy. Those who say one thing and yet do another. And so what I see in this gospel reading is a call to us to be people of integrity, to be people about whom people say, what you see is what you get, to be the real deal. The author, Father Daniel Berrigan, one time, he wrote a book of portraits about persons whom he respected and loved. One of them was about his aunt, and he described his aunt exactly as that type of person whom what you see is what you get, as a person of integrity. And his term for her was that she was the genuine article. Let's hope that we can be in our lives the genuine article, that what we believe and feel on the inside is what people see in us in our everyday lives and see on the outside. Thank you so much again for watching.